Tell me about your superpowers.
In my feet.
You have superpowers in your feet?
Yeah.
How do they work?
1, 2.
How do you turn your superpowers on?
1, 2.
What color are your superpowers?
Whack.
Black superpowers?
Yeah.
What's it let you do? Can you fly?
Yeah.
Show me how you fly. What else can you do?
Grab over that rainbow.
You can jump over the rainbow.
Yeah.
Can you catch Skittles?
Yeah.
Can you eat the Skittles?
Yeah.
Show me you eating the Skittles. What's your name?
Yeah.
Say bye.